Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Muzayyan Montessori and School's English online class for grade 1. Students, in today's our English online class, we are going to solve the first lesson of unit number 2, the lucky leaf, on our workbook. So kindly open page number 10 and write date and CW on the top. Its title is The Lucky Leaf. Preposition. First question is, look at the picture, fill in the blanks with the preposition given in the box. Use each preposition only once. In this box here are some preposition: under, in, at the side of, behind, near and on. What you have to do, you have to write these preposition in the blanks to complete the sentences. और आपने एक preposition को एक ही दफ़ा use करना है. So let's start. There, first one is, there is a baby bird dash the nest. So there is a baby bird in the nest. Next is, there are many leaves dash the branches. There are many leaves on the branches. C is, a goat is dash the tree. A goat is near the tree. Number fourth is, a boy is hiding dash the bush. A boy is hiding behind the bush. Move on to page number 11. The bush is dash the tree. The bush is at the side of the tree. And the last is, a girl is sitting dash the tree. A girl is sitting under the tree. Next is small numbers. How many are there? Here are some pictures of objects, different objects. यहाँ पे जो है वो कुछ pictures है different objects की. What you have to do, you have to count each objects and write their numbers over here. आपने यहाँ पे इनको count करके इनके numbers यहाँ पे लिखने हैं, इनके with their names, उनके नाम के साथ. On page number 12, write the correct number under the picture. First you have to count the objects and then you have to write their number under each picture. आपने इन सबको काउंट करने के बाद इनके नीचे जो इनका करेक्ट नंबर है वो लिखना है. Same on page number 13 and on page number 14. On page number 15, what you have to do, write question and answer. For example, how many cats are there? कितनी यहाँ पे बिल्लियाँ हैं? There are 15 cats. यहाँ पे या वहाँ पे 15 cats हैं. Same, these are buttons. So you can write question like, how many buttons are there? There are 12 buttons. On page number 16, how many caps are there? There are 19 caps. Question number 3 is, fill in the blanks, refer to the pictures on page 12, 13 and 14. आपने पेज नंबर 12, 13 और 14 के ऊपर जो काउंट करने के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट्स को उनके नंबर्स लिखे थे उसी के मुताबिक यहाँ आपने सॉल्व करना है. लाइक, देयर आर डैश पेंसिल्स एंड डैश कैप्स. कितनी पेंसिल्स और कितने कैप्स है. बी इज़, देयर आर डैश बॉक्सेस एंड डैश काइट्स. एंड सी इज़, देयर आर डैश लैम्प्स एंड डैश बटन्स. मूव ऑन टू पेज नंबर 17. नाउ दिस इज़ the second lesson of unit number 2, the mulberry bush. At work and play. First question is, talk about the pictures. What are they doing? Here are the picture of Imran, Puzi, Parvez, Mrs. Shah, Mr. Shah, Mrs. Malik, Beena and Sara, and you have to write what they are doing. आपने यहाँ लिखना है कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं. First one is Imran. So Imran is reading a book. Next is Puzi. Puzi is sleeping. And the next one is Parvez. Parvez is, what he is doing? Running. Next is Mr. Shah. Mr. Shah is pulling a goat. Next is Mrs. Malik. Mrs. Malik is writing. She is writing and she is also sitting. Next is Beena. What is Bina doing? Bina is walking. And the last is Sara. Sara is jumping. On page number 18, rearrange the letters, write the words in the blanks. These are not in correct order. ये दोबारा correct order में नहीं है. The letters are jumbled. ये letters जो है वो jumbled है. आप what you have to do, you have to unjumble them. आपने उन्हें unjumble करके सही करके लिखना है. With the help of these picture, इन picture को देख के आप help ले सकते हैं. So look at the first one. First one is BTOA. So अगर if we arrange this one, then it is boat. Second is gate, cycle, red, car, sun, van, and the last one is tiger. On page number 19, days of the week, rearrange the letters and the right correct word. इसी तरह यहाँ पे जो है वो days of the week जो है वो इनके letters jumbled हैं. What you have to do, you have to correct them or you have to arrange them. आपने उन्हें arrange करना है. First one is first day is Wednesday, Thursday, then Monday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, and last one is Saturday. Next question is copy the words in the blanks below. Here are the days of the week and what you have to write. आपने उन्हें copy करके नीचे in blanks में you have to write. So students, in today's our English online class we have solved the first and second lessons of unit number 2. Now what you have to do at home, as home assignment, you have to solve page number 10, page 11, page 12, page 13, page 14, page 15, page 16, page 17, page 18, and page number 19 on your workbook. So till next online class, stay happy and blessed. Allah Hafiz.